Welcome to Crane Factor. Today we're going to show you how to create six-pack abs like these in the kitchen.
Hey, I'm Nathan Crane.
I'm Derek Crane.
And we bring you programs, products, and inspiration on healthy living,
Fitness training,
and creating an amazing life. And yes, you can create six-pack abs, lean muscle, burn fat just in your kitchen. We're going to share with you 3 simple ways today to help you do that. Derek, you want to talk about first way?
Yeah, definitely. Go into your cupboards, look into the food items, and throw out all processed foods.
Absolutely.
So what I mean by processed foods is go ahead and grab those packages, those containers, those frozen food items, look at the ingredients list, and just read through it. If there's anything that you can't read or understand, or it says non-food item, toss it, throw it away.
Right, those things that say like monosaturated carbojalaba that you don't know what the word is, you've never heard it in your life, you know it was made in a laboratory with scientists, throw it away. It should say broccoli, it should say cabbage, it should say quinoa or rice or things that you understand as food that you can grow outside. Anything that's processed, as Derek said, throw it away. Things that are high in sugar, things that have 10, 12, 15, 18, 20 grams of sugar per serving, throw it away. Sugar stores as fat, right?
So true.
Throw away the processed food. Good point, Derek. Second thing, don't eat carbohydrates after 7 p.m. Why? Because carbohydrates turn into sugar. Sugar, if it's not burned, turns into fat. Right? Now, the only exception for this is really if you're an athlete that's working out 3, 4, 5 hours a day. Obviously, you need more carbohydrates than the average person. You know, you might be eating carbohydrates at 7, 8, 9 o'clock at night, and that's totally understandable because the next day you're going to burn them all off. Yeah. But the average person should not do that, right?
Definitely. Like for me, for instance, I'm trying to gain weight. So I intentionally do this. Now, if you're trying to create six-pack abs and trying to lean out and create lean muscle mass, don't eat carbs after 7. It is very, very important.
Absolutely, and you might get hungry after 7 p.m. It's totally understandable, but grab some fruit instead. Grab a banana, grab an apple. You'll be satiated. Those are simple sugars. They break down a lot faster and easier. They're not going to store as fat. You can burn those off even while you're sleeping. Okay, but carbohydrates, no rice, no corn, no tortillas, no beans, no potatoes, none of those things, no cereal, no grains, no wheat, no bread. If you cut those things out after 7 p.m., you are going to help your body be able to burn fat a lot easier. Which leads us into the third thing, and that is
replacing one meal a day with a fruit and veggie smoothie.
Absolutely. So ideally that would be your breakfast or your lunch, and a fruit and veggie smoothie, something that has 6, 7, even 800 calories. It's just packed with things like fresh spinach, berries. You could put frozen berries. We use a great meal replacement protein organic product called Purium Love Super Meal. That's all natural organic ingredients. You put that in there. I usually put like orange juice or apple juice. I put some flax seeds, some coconut oil, something that's really nourishing. It's going to satiate you. That's going to give you a lot of nutrition, but it's going to replace maybe that heavy breakfast or that heavy lunch that you often do.
This is going to help your body burn fat, and it's also going to help you replace one meal with probably something that's maybe dense in carbs or even fast food. If you are someone who does eat fast food on a daily basis, I highly recommend implementing this instead of that fast food, and you will see incredible results.
Absolutely. More fruit, more veggies, simple sugars. You're going to break it down faster, whereas again, having more carbohydrates during the day, if you're not burning those off, which most people are not, it stores as fat. Even if you're working out all day long, your six-pack's not going to show. Why? Because you got a little extra layer of fat on top. So that's our top 3 tips of how to create your six-pack abs in your kitchen. Simple things anybody can do right now. We've also created a six-pack abs program. Derek coaches you through the entire exercises you need to do each day. We coach you through the nutrition plan. We coach you through everything you need to do to create that lean muscle and actually have a prominent six-pack. If you want that program and have us actually guide you through it, click the link below. You'll go right to the Six Pack Abs program. Highly encourage you to take a look at that. And as always, we want to hear from you. Leave your thoughts and comments below. Hit that like button. Hit subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And we'll talk to you tomorrow.
Thank you. See you in the next video.
Hey bro, you guys want six-pack abs like these today? I'm gonna show you how.
Wow. Yeah, I felt like a Fruit Loop.